I created Chargehomes to make a change. Not only for current EV drivers, but for future ones too. When I got my first electric car in 2012, I couldn't believe such an advanced car could come with such a Stone Age charging cable. So I created my own cable to help the shift in changing behaviors and to remove the bottleneck of an otherwise brilliant piece of technology. Because once you have taken a step towards a better future by driving electric, charging your EV shouldn't be a headache. Instead, any accessory should complement the car, the driver, and the way you live. It's also part in making people take the leap to go electric. It's our way of making EVs a reliable, sensible option for the future, for everyone. And it's something we work tirelessly with to make happen. That's why we focused our production and development to Sweden, so that we can create the new solutions for electric mobility that the planet needs right now and tomorrow. And so that we can see with our own eyes how it makes the world better. Because right now, electric is the only way to go.